Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to organize tasks in ClickUp in 2026. If your workspace feels messy or hard to manage, yeah, this is exactly what you need. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just select your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your tasks and projects live. Now, the foundation of task organization in ClickUp starts with structure. ClickUp uses spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces are for big categories like marketing or operations. Inside a space, use folders to group related projects, and inside those folders, use lists to organize tasks by workflow or phase. Once your lists are set up, start organizing tasks using statuses. Statuses like to do, in progress, review, and complete help you instantly see progress. Keeping statuses consistent across lists makes everything easier to track. Yeah, especially for teams. Next, use priorities. Set tasks as low, normal, high, or urgent so the most important work stands out. This helps you and your team focus on what matters first instead of guessing. Custom fields are another powerful tool. You can add fields like category, client name, effort level, or budget. These fields let you sort and filter tasks quickly without opening each one. Views make organization visual. Switch between list view for details, board view for workflow tracking, calendar view for deadlines, and table view for structured data. You can even set a default view so everyone sees tasks the same way when they open a list. Filters and sorting are huge for staying organized. Filter tasks by assignee, status, priority, or due date. Sort tasks to see what's overdue, what's coming next, or who's working on what. For advanced organization, use tags. Tags are great for labeling tasks across different lists like urgent, client work, or follow-up. You can search by tags anytime to find related tasks fast. Finally, keep things clean. Archive completed lists, close finished tasks, and review unassigned work regularly. A clean workspace makes ClickUp faster and less overwhelming. And that's it. That's how to organize tasks in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you